to JAGNA, Bohol's hidden gem, a coastal town with stunning waterfalls, scenic views, and rich history. Discover the beauty and charm of this lesser-known destination. Ready to uncover the secrets? Let's find out! Kinahugan Falls. Kinahugan Falls is a hidden gem located in Kabungaan Situ, Carapagan, JAGNA, Bohol. It's a captivating natural attractions that features 3 beautiful waterfalls cascading down a 50-foot cliff, creating a stunning curtain of water that flows into a crystal clear pool below. The falls are nestled in a lush jungle setting, making it a perfect escape for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Saint Michael the Archangel Parish Church in JAGNA, Bohol, a historic Spanish colonial-era church established in 1596, showcasing stunning architecture and rich cultural heritage. With its beautifully crafted altars, intricate religious artworks, and centuries-old traditions, this church is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in history, architecture, and spirituality. Discover the sweetness of Bohol and Ching's Calamay, a renowned pasalubong shop in JAGNA, Bohol, offering delicious local delicacies like calamay, peanut kisses, and egg biscuits. With its rich history and traditional recipes, Ching's Calamay has become a benchmark for quality and taste, attracting visitors from all over. The calamay comes in 3 mouth-watering flavors, plain with peanuts and ubi. Enjoy a satisfying meal at their in-house restaurant, serving a variety of Filipino dishes. Whether you're looking for a sweet treat or a taste of Bohol's culture, Ching's Calamay is a must-visit destination. Maraming salamat for joining me on this journey through JAGNA, Bohol. I'm proud to be a JAGNAon, and I hope you've fallen in love with its charm and beauty just like I have. From its stunning waterfalls to its rich history and warm hospitality, JAGNA truly is a hidden gem. Padayon sa pag-explore, and I'll see you in the next adventure.